So I got my rotating base working, and I'm demonstrating it with the Anson mount Discovery Enterprise 2500 scale. You can see it slowly turning here. It's nice. It turns at a slow enough speed that you can appreciate the ship. And I also managed to rotate my phone on the tripod enough that the legs don't show up in the video. So this will be another YouTube short for Sean's model builds, and perhaps a preview showing the deployment builds, because I haven't shown them yet. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye. So there is the completed Enterprise D in front of its box. So that's the box from which the kit came, from which the kit was produced, and you can see the phasers here. All right, you see how the saucer is grayish black, but you see how the star drive has sort of a brownish color to its phasers? So that's good there. And let's turn it so you can see the, there you go, see? Good. And you turn it the other way, and you can still see the, there. You can still see the port nacelle missing cover. So that is the end for model number 39 for this week. Hello everyone, I'm back again, it's Sean. And I got back from the first day of GalaxyCon Raleigh and got my restored Enterprise D autographed by the showrunner, Terry Metalis. And after we posed for the picture, I asked, and he agreed, gave permission, that I can use the picture of us posing with the completed model as the thumbnail for the final part of this model build itself, and I actually gave him my YouTube channel card as well. So you'll see the that video in a couple weeks once my summer vacation is done and I can get everything uploaded. There's my 3-day pass. There is the certification of the autograph, which is on the sticker on the bottom of the base, and tomorrow I plan to get it autographed as well by LeVar Burton. I'll post a short of that as well. Alright, I'm back again. This is Sean from Sean's Model Builds, and this is a short from GalaxyCon showing the fact that I managed on my restored Enterprise D, which has a nice posable stand, of course. Give me 1 minute. I managed on the restored Enterprise D to both get the Terry Metalis signature and the LeVar Burton signature. So you can see here. And they actually both took my YouTube channel card so they can follow the build. Terry Metalis actually said, "Wow, I want one," when he saw my model, and I learned today, July 30th, that it was actually a second-only convention ever, because it's rare for showrunners to be at conventions.